Hey, what's up? You can subscribe if you want to. So, I was asked a question about exit trays on this thing. You know, the exit tray was right here. If you notice here, I don't have space for an exit tray. So, my exit tray is literally just a piece of plastic. Well, this is not the one I use, but I went to Lowe's. See how thin that is? I went to Lowe's and I bought this. Your exit tray can be anything. People use tile, people use all kind of crazy stuff. I just use this. At one point, I had a piece of foams. It's like foam board. I had a piece of foam board that sticks off the end of it. You really don't need much of anything. And this is what I'm using now. Let me get it. This thing. I'm using this, and this is it's just a light. It's a light for picking vinyl. See, there's a USB plug piece. It's a light that you use to pick vinyl. That's what it is. I got it from I think I bought it off Amazon. It's just a thick piece of acrylic like this. It's just thicker than this one. This is just thicker than this one. That's all it is. And it makes no difference which one you have. This works fine too, but the problem is I cut this one a little too short. As you can see, it's a little shorter than that one. This is just because of the length. That's why I'm using this one now. It's just the length. Someone asked me how reliable this is. I'm gonna show you how reliable it is. If I can get the thing to come out. That's all I needed to do. Now, ouch, I broke it again. I don't use it, so I really don't use it, so it really doesn't matter if it broke. Now, when you push it in here, there's under here. Let me get some light. There's two. See them two little things under there? See those two things with the fabrics under there? I know you should be able to see them, right? So those two fabric things under there, that's where you stick that piece of thing underneath. That plastic goes right underneath those two lips, and it literally holds it in place. It really don't take much, and I'm gonna show you. It really holds it in place. Watch. So I push it in, and it goes in here, and it goes right underneath those two little lips. And look, see? Very reliable. See, it's not going anywhere. It don't move. That's how reliable it is. It don't go anywhere. See, I can literally push it till it damn almost break. I'm about ready to break the damn thing. How much pressure I'm putting on here, as you can see. It's very reliable. It will never move. It's not going anywhere. And this is the same thing. I just push it under here, and it just sticks right. As long as I get it under those two little points back there that I showed you, it literally shows, as you can see, there's more than enough room for your sheet to come out. There's so much room here. Look, see, my finger will fit right under there just perfectly fine. It's perfectly fine. I don't have a problem. I've never had a problem. And it's lower. It's usually lower, and it's the reason why it's not that low is because this is not all the way out. Let me see if there it goes. I pull it out for you. Now there it goes. See, now it's lower. See, it's perfectly fine, very stable. It's not going anywhere. Sorry. Perfectly fine. See, very stable, not going anywhere. And that's why this is why I don't take this out. It makes no sense to take it out. I don't need tiles, I don't need a whole bunch of stuff. And I don't need a whole bunch of space to do this. So, I don't know. So the person was asking me about exit trays, and that's my exit tray. I don't. And like I said, I had a piece of foam board there, and the reason why I got rid of the foam board is because the foam board, after a while, it started to warp, so I just got rid of it. And I got the plastic, acrylic plastic, and you can get this stuff at Home Depot and Lowe's, or you can find something online. I don't know what to tell you to do, but like I said, I got that. That's a pick. It's a light. One of them light things I picked, but don't get that. Get more. Go to Lowe's and find a thicker piece of this. It's a little pricey, but get a thicker piece. Measure the length you want, and then cut it. And as you can see, it will just sit right there, and that's all you need. All right. Somebody asked me about exit trays, and is it reliable? Yes, it's very reliable. I've been using it since I started DTF, and I haven't really had a problem with it. All right. Next time. Peace.